Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. It only takes me about 10 seconds to tell whether this snake plant can still be saved. The interesting thing is that most people misread the signs and throw the plant away far too soon. Today, I'll show you how to recognize those signs and how to help the plant recover using simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Let's get started. While taking a walk, I found a snake plant that had been discarded in a pile of trash. Looking at the condition of the plant, you can see that the base has started to rot, it has dried out, and the leaves no longer have their glossy green color. Many people would assume that the plant is dead and beyond saving. But what most people don't know is that it only takes about 10 seconds to check whether the plant still has a chance to recover or has already been damaged beyond repair. Let's take a look at the roots. You can see that part of the root system is still white or creamy white, and the roots remain firm when touched. That's a very positive sign. This means the plant still has healthy roots capable of absorbing water and nutrients, so there is still a chance for recovery if it is cared for properly. That is also the very first thing I check before deciding whether it's worth trying to save the plant. Next, use clean pruning scissors to remove all roots that have turned brown or black, become soft and mushy, or dried out completely. Don't try to keep damaged roots. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After pruning, gently rinse the entire root system under clean running water. This helps remove the old growing medium, any remaining damaged root fragments, and impurities clinging to the roots, while also allowing you to inspect the condition of each root more clearly before repotting. Once the roots are clean, allow them to air dry naturally before moving on to the next step. While waiting for the plant to dry naturally, we'll prepare a solution to clean the roots. The ingredient I'm using today is cinnamon powder. Cinnamon has long been used by many plant enthusiasts during plant care because of the natural compounds found in cinnamon bark. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Pour in 1 liter of hot water. Then stir well with a spoon and allow the solution to steep for about 30 to 60 minutes before straining out the residue. Which country are you watching this video from? It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel and never miss any houseplant care tips. At the same time, prepare the growing medium for repotting. Here, I'm using a mixture of 50% potting soil. The potting soil helps keep the plant stable while providing a suitable environment for the roots to develop steadily. And 50% coconut coir. Coconut coir has excellent moisture retention properties, helping keep the growing medium loose while preventing it from drying out too quickly between waterings. Place both ingredients into a clean pot or tray, then mix them thoroughly using your hands or a small shovel. Mixing them well helps create a growing medium with uniform moisture and aeration, allowing the roots to develop more healthily and adapt more quickly after repotting. Enjoying this video? Please give it a like and subscribe for more easy plant care tips. Thanks for your support. That's it. Our growing medium is ready. After 30 to 60 minutes, once the cinnamon solution has cooled, strain out all of the residue, keeping only the clear liquid without any sediment. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with indoor plants, feel free to post in the community tab of the channel. Let's learn, share, and grow together as plant lovers every day. Add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. Now, pour an appropriate amount of the cinnamon solution into a separate cup. We'll use it shortly. Once the roots have dried naturally, gently place the snake plant into the cinnamon solution so the roots can soak and be cleaned. Next, dampen a soft cotton pad with clean water and gently wipe both sides of each leaf. Cleaning the leaves helps remove accumulated dust from the surface while allowing you to inspect the condition of the plant more clearly before repotting. After completing this step, the plant is ready to be transferred into the new pot with the prepared growing medium. If you want to learn the secrets to caring for all kinds of houseplants, be sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Your plants can become healthier, grow strong new roots, and produce beautiful blooms throughout the year. Prepare a pot with drainage holes at the bottom, as shown in the video. Next, thread a piece of wick cord through one of the drainage holes. This cord will act as a wick, drawing a moderate amount of water from the reservoir below into the growing medium through capillary action. This helps maintain more consistent moisture without requiring frequent watering. Now, spread a thin layer of the growing medium over the bottom of the pot. This layer provides a base for the root system while helping support the plant after repotting. Next, gently place the plant in the center of the pot, allowing the roots to spread naturally and avoiding bending any healthy roots. Continue adding the remaining growing medium around the roots until the base of the plant is completely covered. Finally, gently press the surface of the growing medium with your hand to stabilize the plant. Do not press too firmly because the roots still need air spaces for proper airflow. Now, we've finished repotting the plant. At this point, place the pot on top of a cup or container filled with water, as shown in the video, making sure the lower end of the wick remains submerged in the water. The wick will gradually draw water into the growing medium, helping maintain consistent moisture during the early stage after repotting. Place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated location away from direct sunlight. Next, take the solution we prepared earlier. Add 2 vitamin B1 tablets, If you found this tip helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy plant care guides. Then stir with a spoon until the tablets dissolve completely. Make sure the solution has returned to room temperature before using it. Next, pour the solution into a clean spray bottle. Then gently mist the entire canopy, including both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, until they are evenly moistened. The best time to spray is early in the morning or late in the afternoon, when temperatures are not too high and the plant is not exposed to direct sunlight. After spraying, continue placing the plant in a well-ventilated area so the leaves can dry naturally. That's it. You can now place the pot on your coffee table, bookshelf, desk, or near a window with indirect light so the plant can thrive. With its lush, healthy green leaves, the plant not only enhances your living space, but also creates a fresh, relaxing atmosphere and brings you closer to nature. If you'd like to learn how to care for another ornamental plant, leave a comment below. I'll read your suggestions and feature them in future videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more simple and effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.